How to create Instagram Reels in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So basically we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can make different changes and edits on your video. Here on the bottom, there are different tools available. Simply swipe right until you find aspect ratio. Simply tap on aspect ratio. Now, in order to create an Instagram reel, here on the bottom, you can find this aspect ratio. Simply tap on 1:1. So this is the aspect ratio of Instagram. Now you can edit and make different reels according to your choice. At last, you can export it and it will perfectly fit an Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.